Hi, my name is Don. I'm with the Rouzer Group. Today we're down here in St. Louis Park. We're in our product showcase area, and we're going to talk about a manufacturer that we represent, Harger. And specifically, we're going to talk about exothermic welding. But before we talk about exothermic welding, I do want to let you know that Harger does make C-crimps. And crimping is another way to join two pieces of metal together in a grounding application. But again, we want to talk about exothermic welding today because it is the best way to chemically join two pieces of metal together to form a permanent bond. So let's go do this. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to do a proper exothermic weld using the Harger UltraWeld system. As you can see, I added mold stabilizer legs to this mold because we're normally not in a grassy knoll. We're normally in a trench that quite often is filled with water or has some moisture, and moisture is not good when you're doing exothermic welds. Speaking of which, before you do your first exothermic weld, you need to pull the moisture out of this mold. The graphite mold is really good with heat, but it does also absorb moisture. So the way we pull it out is with a torch. And again, this needs to be done only on the first burn of the day. So I'm going to heat this up. Okay, that should be good. Next thing I'm going to do is clean out the mold, any debris. This is a horsehair brush. Do not use a wire brush. It will scratch and deteriorate the mold very quickly. All right. Number 4-aught conductor, parallel configuration. Always make sure your mold is closed properly. Caught some tree stumps, roots. Okay, place in the copper weld metal, which does become part of the actual weld. Affix the igniter. There's two buttons on here that so you're not going to accidentally be holding it and misfire when you're not supposed to. So you have to press two buttons. As I like to say, fire in the hole. 1, 2, 3. (4,600 degrees). You don't have to open it up. I'm just looking inside. Let it cool off. 20 seconds or so. We've taken two pieces of metal, and this bond right here creates one piece of metal. Okay, open it up. And this is a beautiful exothermic weld using the Harger UltraShot system. You can see this is one that we did at the factory, and ours looks, I think, even better than the one at the factory. So you always get a ignition with the Harger system, and you always get a perfect weld. So that's it. If you're interested in us doing a demonstration for you, contact Harger. Also, you can become certified in this Harger UltraWeld system as well. Thank you.